Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on applying foundation and CCTM with a makeup sponge to get a flawless finish, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button before we start. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so do you remember me telling you I did my foundation concoction by using a makeup sponge and it turned out amazing? I'm going to put it to the test, bring it to you on camera. So everything makeup wise, I will have a link down below that you can shop the Makesense CCTM, which is color correcting tinted moisturizer, and the Makesense foundation, which is a full coverage foundation. The CCTM is a medium coverage. So I'm going to take this thing from my Tinted moisturizer. It's old, and this stuff is amazing, but I will put a link down below, like I was saying, that you can shop the CCTM and the Makesense foundation. I have never used a foundation or CCTM that matches me so well, and the CCTM has a green concealer in it, so if you have any redness in your skin, it's going to block that out. I can help color match you, but if you click on the link, it's going to take you to another page where then it says my distributor's name at the top. Once you're there, you scroll down to shop now. It comes up with all these bubbles. The foundation and the CCTM is in the bubble face, and if you need color matching, like I said, or I haven't said, I can totally color match you if you send me a message or on my Instagram account at redesign16. There's a link in my YouTube about page. Just shoot me a message over there and I would be more than happy to help you with color matching or any questions. But once you go to checkout, right before you go on the checkout page, right before you click checkout, you want to click on that button. It's going to give you 10% off all your purchases. If you spend $100 and you click that button, it's going to give you free shipping. But you have to spend $100, then click the button, and maybe you spend $110 and then click that button. Or you have to be at 100, click that button. Exactly, you get free shipping, free samples, and your products. If you spend $150, you get your products, free shipping, and free gift. So, and that helps me out a ton. I still get credit to bring to you guys. So, to bring products and learn more new stuff if that's how you want to support my page. So I'm taking the CCTM. I'm doing a pump and a half of that. Then I'm taking my almond and I'm doing 2 pumps of that. I like to use a lot on my face, but just 1 pump is perfectly fine. So this is what the concoction looks like. I'm going to take my finger and start applying it. Oh, my stomach is still digesting from breakfast. Okay, so this stuff is very blendable. I'm going to use my makeup sponge from Real Techniques. This is dry. It's not damp. So I'm just gonna start applying. Maybe it's a little damp, but I don't know why it would be. So, and you want to pat it in for a more airbrush look. Shoot, I forgot to do my brows. If you've been around a while, you know I like to do them in layers. So I only have a few minutes with you guys today because I have an appointment to go work out at the gym. So pretty excited about it because I haven't done it in like over a month, and I'm excited to get back on track. I mean, I've been on track. I've been working out at home, and so I'm just taking the flat part of the brush. Should have showed you. Well, I took a before picture. I'll take an after picture, but I'll go in more natural lighting. My allergies are so bad. Like, oh, my nose is running, like I'm sneezing. Like, I'm not sick, but it's been dry, and then moisture from rain and pollen, and so usually I go down on my neck, so that's how it looks patted in. I have a lot left over, so I'm just gonna go in and just start patting it all over my face again. So I'm kind of doing it in layers. So this foundation has skincare in it, like all of our products. The CCTM have anti-aging skincare in them, and the foundation, like I've said this in previous videos, but as we age, our skin cells die off. With the Makesense foundation, it actually has Cinecomplex technology, which no one has except for Synergens, and it actually, when you're using it and wearing it, it actually brings back those dead skin cells and starts regrowing them. Plus, it brings new skin cells, and it is amazing. So, the only thing I didn't do really good was my neck. So, a lot of times, if you've been around for a while, I like to go in with a foundation brush, flat top brush, and pat it all in, and then pat it with a makeup sponge. I'm just not a sponge girl. Like, I like to use brushes, and like, you don't have to do this with the brush, but I like to make it more flawless, but you don't have to do that. So there's many different ways. My pins are falling off here. So gonna take a little bit more of each, rub that in, and apply it to my neck. Oh yeah. See, there's a little bit of redness right there. So I'm just gonna take that take that all around my neck and down. I don't know about you, but I like to make sure it's covered and you don't get a line like it totally matches your neck. You won't get like different tones unless you have the wrong skin, the wrong shade of foundation or CCTM. But it's really hard to get the wrong tone with CCTM because I can wear up to 3 different shades of this color correcting tinted moisturizer. It's lightweight, it's not cakey, it is amazing. It's water resistant. Our foundation is water resistant too. So I can wear up to 3 shades like I was saying. So I can wear light, medium, and medium. And this is medium. So I just think that it looks more flawless like this. This is a good day, good makeup day. And I'm glad that I showed you on camera. So this is dry. Like, it's not damp. It's just dry. Like, I thought it was wet, but it wasn't. So, it's perfectly dry. And I've had these sponges for like, they're from Real Techniques. I got it at Target or Walmart, like, when I first started doing makeup, like, 4 years ago. So, they are beat up, but they last a long time. And also, if you don't think that you have the right shade, wait a minute, like a minute and a half, because it's going to adjust. So, and that redness, I think it's gone. Make sure. Like, this is my shade. Almond Foundation is my shade because I have pink undertones in my skin. So I'm kind of like on the fair to medium side. It would be a lot different if I didn't have vitiligo because the white spots are where I don't get tanning cells. So, and this is my natural skin color right there. So, and I have vitiligo in my face. So I'm going to go in more natural lighting and show you guys and do the end result too. So, okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm in more natural lighting. The sun was out, but it decided to disappear for a minute. Hopefully it comes back. But I'm in more natural lighting, and this is how it turned out. Totally matches my neckline. It is so flawless, and it's long-lasting makeup, foundation, and CCTM color correcting tinted moisturizer. So it's going to last me all day. And like I said, I'm going to the gym to work out, and it is sweat proof. Like all of Synergen's makeup is waterproof, crease proof, water resistant, smudge proof, sweat proof, skincare, anti-aging, so many good benefits. So please like this video and please hit the subscribe button before you leave, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching. I did miss a little spot right here, but I can cover that up with concealer. So thanks for watching.